I'm MB Nirmal, founder Exnora International. I'm 78 years old. I've been doing social service for the age of 18. I started Exnora movement way back 32 years ago. Now we are talking about the important thing called Temple Exnora. There are so many chapters. Temple model, marvel. That's how ancestors created. Temple sorrowful. How did we? During our period became the temples got decayed and put into disuse, misuse and abuse. Then Exnora was worked with many temples, created models. So we call it temples inspirational. So many chapters here. An important aspect: temple as everything. It has infrastructure in the sense building. Temple chowdhury is available, or you can take a building on rent and can outreach program. I call it playing pun with the word temple extra outreach without moving an inch via temple extra Seva Hub. So that by me, one place to do 100 wonder services extra Seva Hub. So we need a building. The building can be a chowdhury or very easy to get sponsored by the bhaktas or some leading business house in the town where the temple is situated. This should because it will carry the temple's name, and that's how the temple name is registered, the name of the people. Because many Hindus do service, lot of service, but they do it in their individual name. The same thing what they are going to do individually, they will do it in the temple. Besides, people can volunteer. Here that's what you see. So this is human social responsibility by Exnora Sahab, Arts Art and Brains Brain. Actually, it will be mind-boggling for you. One place round the clock put into several uses. Center to create awareness. People need awareness. Academy for training. Institute for Community Human Resource Development. What is Community Human Resource Development? The people in the higher state of society get educated in the best institutions, but the poor people, villagers, they don't know even basic things. So community human resource development, place to render social service, venue to provide health service, roof for meetings, shelter for emergency and SOS callers, pavilion for exhibition and exhibitions, dais for method demonstration, workshop for idea generation and brainstorming, laboratory for research, lobby for fellowship and friendship, gallery for arts, lounge for hospitality, theatre for fine arts, entertainment, chamber for startups. 16 words we used for 16 major activities. The major activity each has sub activities. I'm not going in detail. So head of division, you should have what people will give is giving time and talent. That's all, not things. So heart's heart, helping brain's brain. So heart's art means helping humanity, brain's brain solving problems. Both will be done. The two major divisions. You see the external Sahab. See a loudspeaker. This is for emergency siren in case of disaster. Minimum 1,400 square feet space is needed. The place will be used 24 to 365 like a three-shift factory to churn out responsible citizens. Members will do 100 activities round the clock by turns and make their town, village, neighborhood a safe heaven and heaven on earth. External Seva, Temple External Seva. So you see this heart's heart and brain's brain. Love life and life will love you back. Love people and they will love you back, said Arthur Rubinston. So it is now, yes, it is benevolence. Benevolence is made benevolence. Civilization. There are three things humans can give. Three T's. There are things used, unused, new. There will be Exnora Humanity Divinity Bank. There is a separate talk on that. The time, leisure, service and ideas. Arts, art, real and brain's brain for brainstorming at Explora Seva Hub. Then they give the talents, 10 kinds. So we have created a form called latent, patent, potent talent. So each person among the temple devotees, you have all talents that you need to not only make the temple a model, even the village or town where the temple is situated is one of the wonder places. At Explora Seva Hub workshop, what's called repair and prepare to recycle and upcycle. So it's there. This will be done, and so talents means also this talent. So it of the human responsibility, Explora Seva Hub, motherly human wealth management. It's all voluntary, optional. You can select the subject. It comes it human wealth management or human resource management. Role for goal. So Explora Seva Hub will be under human wealth management in an office, education institution, society that will distinguish this voluntary service from the official work under the formal nomenclature, human resource management. So what we say that human health management can be there in office, education institution, society. Of course, temples, human responsibility, Explora Seva Hub, and human health management or human resource management. Human resource management looks very official. That's why we call human health management. It's very much part of Jivan Shastra, life science for living as human being, Manush Shastra, human science for being human being. So human responsibility, compassion to be humane and help fellow humans, resolution to cure society's maladies, but by just enabling people to get entitlement. There is their entertainment environment. The 10 kinds of environment for tons of benefits will be there. So Explora found out if any person is provided 10 kinds of environment, he will grow. Nothing can stop him. So the existential, there are 5: clean environment, green environment. Clean means you know about it. Explora is created for that. There won't be any filth anywhere, but at the same time there will be total solid, liquid, gaseous waste management. Green environment. Green environment includes a whole lot, tree planting to nursery to home gardening, terrace farming, street gardening, city farming, all. Built environment. There are 2 kinds of built environment. One is internal. Every person needs a roof, light, water, toilet, gas stove, door, lock. That's the basic things a man needs to survive. And at the same time, the other kind of built environment, common, public, like road, schools, education institutions, transportation, a whole lot of things, police stations, etc. Then safety environment. There are so many kinds of safety needed. In fact, you have to go to website /safety. You will see 50 kinds of safety and about 20 kinds of disasters. What you should do before, during, after. So this is also made available. People will be trained in this the outreach program in Explora Seva Hub. Livelihood environment. 5th, that is, people need income to take care of themselves. It's so easy actually. There are people needing service, people want to give service. You need a matching mechanism, a kind of an employment exchange, and there are so many other aspects. It's dealt at length. So this 5, for a human to exist, you need clean environment, green environment, built environment, safety environment, livelihood environment. Essential, humane environment. What is humane is, kindness. Very important. Social and harmonious environment. So, all the conflicts come because of social inequalities. 3, cultural recreation environment is needed. 4, mental and cellular environment. What is mental? Mostly people don't progress in life because they have inferiority complex. They feel they are good for nothing. This will be changed. So we give seventh sense. We also give how one can program his stem cells in his body. So this is very seventh sense. It's one of the very highly paid course in Chennai, but is being made absolutely free through Temple Explora. Then climatic environment. Today we talk about global warming. So that has been answer has been found out to be shared there. So this 10 environment changes the life of anybody, I would say. So plus the tools to get the 10 kinds of environment, Gandhian motherly immunity management, Patel fatherly immunity management. So these are shared. Jivan Shastra, life science for living as human being, Manushya Shastra, human sense for being. See, the entire knowledge is given, motivation is given, and then the place is available, people are available, resource people. Any problem can be made nowhere. You got chessmate, checkmate, that all dealt separately. Please see there. Any problem, let it be corruption, poverty, like a chess your friend and checkmate. The problem can be checkmated. That's all. Plus the principles, methods to get entitlement. No need to worry about the character of your children when they use window endo. So we found why today people get into crimes, violence, and all. So parenting, partaking. Window endo is we give you 10 windows. If you apply the principle, the children will be will have sterling character and also they're very talented. So human responsibility extras have compassion to be human to help fellow humans. So union of arts and union of brains. Union of arts called arts art, union of brains called brains brain. Humans are two vital organs, art and brain. Art signifies kindness and service. Brain denotes thinking and solving problems. So External Seva can have in itself External Humanity Divinity Bank. It can be separate. There can be Humanity Divinity Bank where Seva Hub can function. It's left to the discretion of the people, office bearers of Temple Exnora. Temple's arts, art and brains brain will meet at Exnora Seva, where all the service-minded people will meet and give the 3 T's. I told you, things, time and talent, which will not cost them anything. When I say things, it's all used to things. Used to things which they don't need. It's called another word upcycling or free cycling. There's so many words. Then External Humanity Divinity Bank, H6. That is your heart to head to hand to help to humanity to happiness for depositing things used and unused. Center to create awareness. So we go to the next awareness. So today awareness, people lack awareness in anything and everything. Now the period of Corona, if the centers have been created, Seva in each temple, that have provided the people the much needed awareness, the do's and don'ts. So awareness is needed, safety, hygiene, health, environment, career development and all. So this will be taken care. Instead for community humanist development. I told you the training for a human to exist as a human being. It will be instituted there. Again, resource people are available from and among the temple devotees. Place to render social service. You can do like Lions, Rotary and extra chapters. In the name of temple, all social service can be rendered. It's a spot to conduct medical and blood donation camps. Roof for meetings. So meetings you don't need to rent a place, but this place can be used. Shelter for emergency resource scholars. So people during flood and calamities, they look to a place. So that's why the color green color. So people spot there and come there. They're given shelter. Pavilion for exhibition, exhibition. So one picture is equal to 1,000 words. So all the ideas, including solid waste, liquid waste, safety, hygiene, health, periodically this will all be exhibited, making use of the wall, and people will be invited to see that. Some children volunteers will explain what's all about it. Bal Sevaks, Templex or Bal Sevaks will do that. Dais. A dais means it's a place where method and talent demonstrations, how to do composting or how to grow a tree, have a nursery. There will be actually demonstrations will be there. It's a round table for idea generation. People, we have problems written on a board. People all give idea, a brainstorming session, and then laboratory for research. So research is needed. Each temple has a very peculiar problem. So for that, you need to have research. Again, the talent is available from and among the devotees to a lobby for fellowship and friendship. So people need some place to meet and exchange their ideas or even exchange pleasantries. So this temple Exnora Seva Hub will serve gallery for arts. Arts means not only temple arts. People, members, their own arts can be displayed. Children arts, lounge for hospitality. You can do. India is known for hospitality. Theatre for fine arts and entertainment. So it is a big hall, say, which can accommodate under 200 people. We can have periodically music performance, dances, etc. Chamber for startups. So people use not knowing what to do, which business they can start. Very simple is that we have to find a matching mentor. A mentor means a person wants to do, let us say, paper recycling. There will be definitely experts from among the devotees on paper recycling. So mentors are needed. So mentor and startup matching and marrying will be done by this, what you call, Temple Explorers have workshop for repair and prepare. What is repair and prepare? There are many things in the house which will be needing a small repair, but we'll have not get people, and neither will throw it nor give it. At the same time, we also need forced to keep it in house. It occupies a space, lot of space. So what we do, suppose you have a table with one leg, you leave it there. Definitely there will be a carpenter devotee who will fix the leg for the temple. Or an arm broken, chair's arm broken, or some electrical equipments, like say a refrigerator. An electrician, a refrigerator mechanic will come and to fix it, and it will be given to somebody poor, needy. Okay, how do you like it? Workshop. So everything, the temple becomes a place for all great things. Podium for speak and peak. What is speak and peak? We the leaders. Who are leaders? Leaders supposed to be good in public speaking. So public speaking is needed because we have ideas. If I talk with one person, it's called conversation. If I talk with 100 people, it's a speech. Or if I use YouTube channel, it reaches hundreds, thousands. So speaking ability is needed. Our first word speak denotes speaking. Peak means it's a verb here. You reach the peak. It's again noun and verb. Self-development in public speaking. So the separate module is available for speak and peak. Don't miss it. See that. Icebreaker. An icebreaker is an activity, game or event that is used to welcome and warm up the conversation among participants in a meeting, training, classroom, team building session or another event. Any event that requires people to comfortably interact with each other and if it is an opportunity to use an icebreaker. So icebreakers, the conversation ball features over 70 simple. These are the type of questions such as sweet or salty, lake or ocean, invisible or mind reader. Group participants can throw the ball or pass the ball to others in a musical chair style game. When the ball is caught or the music stops, the player with the ball answers a question that has been selected by the position of their thumb on the bell. Icebreaker. People by and large like talking, but they have initial shyness and decision to talk, particularly new members. The Seva Hub will have a happy to chat bench where one can sit as if the bench is doing the initial talk on his behalf. She, to his surprise, will see the brother coming forward to chat. So, happy to chat bench. Space for arts, Exnora art and Exnora Seva Center space options are plenty. I told you about arts, art, brains, brain, time and talent. Humanity. Divinity Bank, giving things used. So minimum 1,400 square feet needed. The place will be used 24 into 365 like a three-shift factory around responsible citizens. Members will do 100 activities round the clock by turns, make the town, village, neighborhood a safe heaven and heaven on earth. So the space, I told you, there are so many options. Need not be a building, what is in the left top. It can be a cabin, it can be hall of a house which is not being used, or it can be a terrace. Savab can function a terrace with a shed, or a plot not being used. Temples have several acres of land, plots lying idle. Some of them are litigation and all. So you can put up a temporary shed and have your savab. Or now containers are sold, ship containers, lorry containers. Containers are very spacious. We have to make a little modification. You can see the external view and internal view of a. So container bunk also can be used to serve as extra Seva bank. So arts and brains brain extra Seva can be there in all these places: school, college, polytechnic, training institute. Just a large room is enough. Extra Seva can be there in all the places, following places: playground, children's play area, park, place of worship, flat complex, even burial ground, Hindu temple, church, mosque, Buddha Vigara, synagogue, Jain Mandir, Gurudwara, Bagai Lotus. Extra Seva with arts art and brains brain can function the community hall or club house recreation center, the flat complexes. It can be just a cabin served with arts art and brains brain. Space options are plenty. There are so many chowtries which remain less used or vacant, which can be made use of to use this important activity. There are fixed of chowtries. Chowtries, any temple will have a chowtry. Even a part of the chowtry is enough. Some chowtries, because of non-use, getting decayed. So this all chowtries, speaking of chowtries. And Resident Welfare Association, many of them have, even ex-Nora associations have their own buildings. The building one hall room where this activity can go on. You can see Gandhinagar Resident Welfare Association. So if you have an office, you can have this Seva up there, Gomati Nagar. What about Humanity Divinity Bank? Can it accommodate Seva? Why not? So Humanity Divinity Bank is where we store things. That place also can be used. So either way, Extra Seva can accommodate Humanity Divinity Bank, or Humanity Divinity Bank can accommodate Extra Seva. It's all flexible. It's your choice, your option. I told you one can accommodate other way. One can be inside there. So we are so flexible about it. Things to happen are not happening, and a lot of hesitation. Funds endless. Funds for your extra desk club to an extra service center. Good is the money to do the noble service is 100% available. 12 brilliant ideas to keep it sufficiently funded. The first and finest in tune with the adage is the self-help, the best help membership subscription, sale of recyclable waste and compost. So subscription is the best idea. Second is recyclable waste can be deposited there, which will be sold, or compost can be sold. So we said paperasser. So paper, newspaper and all the waste paper can all be brought. We call P2W2. That is paper and plastic waste to wealth. So this is available. Extra has been doing last 20 years this activity. So at least one day paper every family gives. That's enough. Of course, I told you first is giving paper, selling of other waste and sale of compost, money collection box in the meetings, then celebrities fundraising. Give just one day paper or plastic waste. Benefit show, drama, music, cinema, first day film release show for Exnora. People buy and read newspaper. It becomes old within 24 hours, and people come. They can bring with them the old newspapers with them and drop it in the old newspaper depository. Old newspaper depository can be kept in all flat complex office industries. I said in Exnora Seva Hub, old newspaper depository can be kept everywhere. So paper, that means paper. The paper, it's all waste paper. This all can come here to Seva Center. We help both ways. We help environment. The paper becomes again paper. Number two, you find money for it. So I told you, funds endless. So skill cell, professional training on environment and other extra subjects. Um, we have seven sense, motive action, fashion your passion, 48-hour day on time management. So members having arts and fine art skills, painting artist, singer can offer it to sell their special skill money for money. So they can do that, and an artist come and do painting, and number of artists can come one day. They can do painting. The paints all can be sold, and the money will come to your organization. Birthday anniversary donation, you can have part-time, full-time staff designated social architects whose salary can be sponsored by corporates, including those businessmen living in the area. So birthday anniversary donation, conducting cultural benefit programs, advertisement for extra souvenirs, programs to be hosted by large-hearted by residents and corporates under the CSR. On special occasions like your extra anniversary, you can commemorate by publishing a song with advertisement. The stellar idea. Here is the money that you need. Just commence your efforts. No business contribution for social cause out of their profit. The CSR has been made compulsory in the Central Government Act. You can approach corporates with your appeal, explaining your social and environmental service rendered through Exnora Seva Center of Exnora Innovators Club. Exnora International enjoys ATG exemption, and you can seek their support and guidance. So money, you given the idea, little effort is needed. When you do some good project sincerely, when you send even a small 1 minute video is enough for you to get the money. But the super idea is companion Exnora Club. For suppose you have Temple Exnora for Srirangam Temple, you start Srirangam Temple Exnora Companion Club. So these companion clubs can be there in all the major towns of India and the world: New York, Washington, Paris, London, Sydney, Melbourne, Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, anywhere. The people who lived in a particular village or town, got education, and now gone up in life, they are outside their place due to their profession, business, preoccupation, their elevation. They can return their gratitude to their home place by giving even a small subscription or money to the companion clubs. They can start companion clubs. Via companion club, they send to the parent club. I think by reading this, you will understand. So easy to get ideas. The best in getting support, those from the non-residents belonging to area, neighborhood, now living in other parts of your nation or abroad, can get the following from them. Company Exnora Club, other cities within the nation or abroad, you have to give a simple application to Exnora International Headquarters to get there, which will be the license. You take care of laws of those nations or states. You can guide those who are from your place but live in other places to form Company Exnora Club with the name of your place as suffix, their place as suffix to their place. Example, live in T Nagar, you can organize from a Company Exnora Club for Ernakulam at Washington, Dubai, Ottawa. Can be sure getting monthly contribution donation for development. It can be even for a street if it's big. So in absentia, Exnora member, actually in absentia members will be really contributing a lot. What you need for 1 year, they may send it one day. Companion Exnora Clubs Genesis. People for employment leave their place of birth, which gave them everything to outstation within their nation abroad. They always feel and long that their native place should become better and be one like the outstation city where they have chosen to migrate. Here's an excellent opportunity for them and those who also from same place migrate to any same place outside to combine as Companion Exnora Club in their place of migration and make their native place the best by sending their ideas and money to the parent Exnora Innovators Club in the native place. If there is no Companion Exnora Club in the native place, they can first form Companion Exnora Club. The so formed Companion Exnora Club can form from outstation, form Exnora Club in the native place. So it's both way. From here you can form Companion Club. Suppose you live in New York and there is no Exnora Innovators Club. Let us say you are from what is Koilan. Koilan, there is no Exnora. So the those people from Carolites who live abroad, they can start Exnora Companion Club in New York or London. Same time, hometown, they can start a parent club. It's like a child giving birth to a parent. Okay, spreading the fundraising messages speedily, speedy speaking, debate, panel discussion, demonstrations, exhibitions, exhibitions, conferences, passenger, messenger, exposes, brainstorming, group SMS, mobile conference. Make short YouTube fund appeal videos and send to people via email like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp. eWorld Exnora for instant easy way for spreading message, email, e-groups, blogs, website, e-newsletter, e-flyers, internet, intranet, podcast, webinar, online communities, voice over internet, video conference, share photos, instant messaging, texting, chat. So we know Zoom conference all are come in place now. Google conference, you can use one of the idea. Human response have a hub. So now lastly, what John Wesley was born as early as 17 June 1703 UK said, do all the good you can by all the means you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, to all the times you can, to all the people you can, as long as ever you can. John Wesley. See what a beautiful. I think a person, if he dies, how he can do? And suppose a person becomes sick, he can't do. So a person is strong, health, stable, healthy, he has to help others. This one more by Stephen Gillett, who lived in USA, New Jersey. I shall pass this way but once. Any good that I can do or any kindness I can show to any human being, let me do it now. Let me not defer nor neglect it, for I shall not pass this way again. What a beautiful. I shall pass this way but once. Any good that I can do or any kindness I can show to any human being, let me do it now. Let me not defer nor neglect it, for I shall not pass this way again. Stephen Gillett. And Leo Tolstoy said, was born in Russia, he said, just one candle lights another and can light thousands of other candles. So one art illuminates another art and can illuminate thousands of other arts. That's what we are doing. So you have known everything. I would say there's a e-book, PPT all available. Care to share, share your care, care and share, sharing is caring. So please, it's all beautiful, voluntary. It's a service to humanity, service to environment, service to temple, what not, and service to yourself. You will grow. So which can be again either official or voluntary in office or institutions, human health management in the societies, community wealth management. So I told you about Exnora. Whenever when your service is sincere, you hear the voice of the God. Giving your time must be your prime aim. So officially Exnora Seva. It's a part of Jivan Shastra and Manishi Shastra. There's a thing called Wonder Window. Just go through that. All solutions are waiting for you. People who plague, people are, society is plagued with problems, so we can solve it. Exnora started in 1988, stands for excellent, novel, radical. Ensures the three qualities: your thoughts, words, and action. And the three color: green represents environment, blue represents peace, red represents sacrifice. We need to do voluntary self-sacrifices. So the torch bearers. So we are just giving you extra descriptive torch bearers. There's a what you call director, clean environment, built environment, all this. I told you 10 kinds of environment for you to do that. So this inner structure started place of residence, large flat complex, flat campus, big hostel, residential colony, neighborhood, cities, towns, small towns, villages, place of work. Each office, industry, factory, hospital, hotel, boarding, lodging, elected body. So place of learning, place of worship, place in public use for each park, playground, tourist spot, you can do that. Place of travel, you go regularly road. The road is having so much of problems, traffic. All the road users who use car, go by bus, walk, they all have the problem. They cannot join, generate ideas, go to the government. This external ideas club for place of travel. So it can be residence welfare external innovators club, residence welfare external, residence welfare associations are granted what you call license. This is what you see. Please get it. The solutions are given as regular HTML page, downloadable websites, PPT, short videos, descriptive videos, learn, implement, make world better. It's all available. There's never before need for temple everywhere. So these are the chapters: temple model, marvel, temple sorrowful, temple emulational, temple delightful and inspirational. The Sri Lankan Hindus, how they have taken Hinduism to global level. They opened hundreds of temples in other countries. Ida Hindus are the best Hindus and role model. Temples have a role for every devotee. First activity, External Tree Challenge, Temple Resourceful, External Seva Hub, Humanity Divinity Bank and Temples, External Animal Training Institute, Sent Latin Pattern Potent Talent Sheet, Temple Outreach, Temple External Jivan Shastra, Temple External Manushya Shastra, Model that models, Temple Pinnacle, 7 Sons for Super Success, Temple Pinnacle, Student Explora, in Habit, Grab It, 5 Habits, 3 Bins, 3 Sins and 3 Wins, Zero and Zero World, Introduction Change, Climate Change. Then do means spelling is change. Do should do, action begins here. A gift, Temple Tranquil, how you can do 7 Sons prayer, where the prayer is very powerful. Then why this all we should do, global dangers to local calamities, poverty, the intensity of poverty, child labor horror, slum gruesome, women condition worsen, that's why we should do. So please, first step, join Temple Explora, Temple Marvel Model Facebook group at once. There's a meeting place where the people who start Temple Explora or the people having problem and the solution owners all meet and join our Facebook group, Temple Model Temple Explora Facebook. We'll meet there. So there are other organizations started by Explora. I'm one at a time skipping it. So Temple Explora, already told you, it has a president, secretary, treasurer, vice president. Will be in charge of communal harmony, joint secretary for clean green towns, villages through Explora Innovators Club or RW Explora. Then treasurer, joint treasurer funds, endless, director safety, then director sanitation, hygiene, environment, and then director heritage and etiquette, director culture, arts, fine arts, director humanity service, director service organization, Temple Explora. They are all there. So see all other chapters. Thank you for patient listening. I think by listening to this is equal to your chanting mantra. Okay, thank you. Best wishes.